I'm Cologne today at FIBO, but I'm not here for treadmills, dumbbells and standard gym equipment. I'm here because ICAROS invited me to try something very different. A system that combines VR, movement and physical training. And today I want to see what it feels like. I'm probably not the typical fitness expo visitor, but I have to admit, this place was impressive. Loud, intense and full of energy. But once I arrived at the ICAROS booth, things got calmer, which was probably a good sign. Daniel from ICAROS guided me through the demo and explained how the system is used today. Their current focus is no longer gaming alone, but rehabilitation, therapy and functional training.
Steam VR.
The headset runs through Steam VR, combined with their own software experiences. And then it was time to test it myself.
Scheiße.
This feels much more physical than it looks. You constantly shift balance, stabilize your body and use muscles without even thinking about it.
Es gibt da ja auch so Wettbewerbe, ne?
That's probably one reason why some people compete on these machines in racing-style events.
In so einem Video und das stelle ich mir ja mega anstrengend vor.
Ja, es ist.
And after trying it myself, I can understand why that gets exhausting very quickly. At first, I felt slightly dizzy, but after a short moment, I adapted. And what became obvious very quickly, this is real exercise. Especially core muscles, arms, shoulders and upper body stability.
Auf jeden Fall, ja. Und was hat sich jetzt verändert?
Daniel also explained how the hardware evolved over time. The system became more compact, narrow enough to fit through regular doors and more adjustable for clinical environments. There are added support systems, stabilization options and configurations for people with physical limitations. So the device can now serve a much wider range of users. What I personally find most interesting is the psychological side of it. Traditional exercise often feels repetitive, you just want to finish your sets and go home. But here, you're focused on movement, goals, scores, balance, progress. You train almost by accident, and that can be incredibly valuable.
Challenges irgendwie absolvierst da drin.
ICAROS also tracks performance data, scores and long-term progress, which means motivation can come not only from health benefits, but also from visible improvements. And that combination feels smart.
Wenn jetzt irgendjemand von den Zuschauern da
If someone wants to try it, ICAROS says there are partner locations and also their own showroom in Munich. So yes, this isn't just something for clinics.
Ja, vielen Dank.
Gerne.
I honestly think approaches like this could make rehab, therapy and training much more attractive for many people. And that may be where the real potential lies. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and hopefully I'll see you again in the next one. Tschüss!